And Prime Minister Modi is all set to co-chair a summit, AI summit, with counterparts from France. This is the summit that will be attended by key stakeholders, including US Vice President and China's Vice Prime Minister as well, according to diplomatic source. So key leaders from China and France and even US who will be part of this AI summit that will take place on February 11th. So in 4 days from now, this meet will take place on AI that will be attended by not just Prime Minister Modi, but his counterparts from countries including US, China. It will be, Vice President of the US and other leaders, top leaders from China who will be part of this summit. So while there is a lot of talk regarding the AI race and the recent visit of Sam Altman to the country, in which Sam Altman also held a meet with the INB minister and projecting that India is the burgeoning leader in the AI race, a key summit that will take place in 4 days from now, that will be attended by Prime Minister Modi and leaders from the US, France and China. Shifting focus to another news that we are getting from the national capital, a crucial BJP meet that is still underway as we speak. All MPs and coordinators are part of this meet, which is coming with just hours to go for the election results trends to start pouring in. Parallelly, note, Aam Aadmi Party is also holding meet with all its 70 candidates, being attended by Chief Minister Atishi and of course Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal. There is a parallel meeting of BJP taking place, a strategy meeting of sorts. While the exit polls have projected a clean sweep for the BJP in the national capital, the party is in a huddle mode. All MPs and coordinators are part of this meet, which is taking place in Delhi. So Delhi, which seems to be the political epicenter for now, with key meetings happening and hours to go for election result trends to start pouring in. JP Nadda, who is part of this BJP meet which is taking place. These are exit polls that have projected a clean sweep for the BJP in the national capital. It's projected that the Congress will, the BJP will have a clean sweep, a 48% voter share that is expected for the BJP as far as the exit polls are concerned. While for the Aam Aadmi Party, it's projected somewhere between 40 to 42%. And while the exit polls predict that it is going to be the BJP that will be making a comeback, the Aam Aadmi Party has said that there are poaching attempts being made. Let's go across to Riyanka. She's joining us live on the broadcast. Riyanka, give us more details on this meet which is currently happening. Parallel meetings, of course, one of the BJP, the second of AAP. Any details known so far about the discussions taking place in the BJP meeting?
As you rightly mentioned, there are two parallel meetings happening of the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. A very, very important meeting of the BJP where all the MPs and coordinators will in fact attend the meeting. And this meeting is also taking place at the Delhi BJP, state BJP headquarters. And on the other hand, of course, the meeting from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party where there are several claims that poaching is happening and that the BJP leaders are providing and calling the Aam Aadmi Party and lowering them of 15 crore rupees. Now, to have discussions on the same, there are these two meetings happening on the sidelines ahead of the mega election results day tomorrow that is going to be delivering the fate of the national capital, whether or not it will be the BJP that will be coming back after 27 years or whether it will be the Aam Aadmi Party retaining its seats. So that is something we have to wait and watch. But as of now, yes, two hectic meetings are happening of the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party.